more information on this matter.
O MP ka Tura usaleng sangma ula Kyntait Halor ka Jingkynthoh bakaseng Congress kanamla ban lebha ha ka election shiteng samoy ha gambegre kabasakhi ya ka jingyakun ha ki babun kiliang ula ong bakamlong ka badai hok ban shumuddur baka jingale kan long tang ha padeng artri ki seng namar ka rai ka syong ha ki ba om ha ki seng haba pentep ba ukertong ka parti u jengjang marak unsa thep kerteng shen usang ma ulaong bakum kini ki Jingkynthoh bat ki jingkhen lepa bun sien laju thau de ki seng san perthai hakapor election ka jingthep vote sha ka yeng dorbar thau an jong ka gambegre kan sanlong haka khatlai tarik unai wing bat ka jingnyau vote kan long haka arphulai tarik unai wing.
Election will be held on November 13th and then no, the election is not between any parties. Election is about trusting the candidature who will be serving the people of that particular constituency and the state as a whole. It's not about any party. Because there is no such stamp on any individual that he is NCP, he is NPP, he is Congress or any TMC. So it's wrong to say on the part of any party to say that it's a fight between the NPP, Congress or TMC like that. It's the people who will vote ultimately.
Katanat ki